Through this tutorial, let's learn how we can create store locator maps for your businesses. There are businesses which are located at multiple locations, and we would generally like to feature it on our website or any other platforms that at so and so locations our businesses are available. And we want to make it sort of an interactive one such that when people click it, they really get the address and the working hours and the contact information. All of that is possible using Google Maps, and let me demonstrate to you how we can do that. But before that, we need to prepare the data. By preparing the data, I mean that you need to have the addresses of the store location and how many stores you want to display on your maps. Okay, so I'm going to Sheets, Google Sheets. So I'm going to search for Sheets in Google and choose Google Sheets sign in. Either you can left click on this or you can select by right click and open a new tab. Okay, it would create the same thing. I'm creating using open a new tab. Once the spreadsheet is updated, let's name it to be store locations. Uh, Store locations. Then let's have store name, address to um, get the marker of the store addresses. You need to have a full address or at least a distinguishable address. Then you can have address or latitude and longitude of that particular uh, area or the particular pin of your store. Okay, so here I'm choosing with address and I'm adding something like hours as well and the uh, contact phone number. So I'm just saying contact. Okay, so for demonstration purposes, I have already created a data. Let me copy that quickly. So I have taken the data of Reliance Digital because all the addresses would be easily available to us. So these are the addresses, these are the store hours and what all days of the week they are open, from what time to what time, and these are the contact details. Okay, so uh, after you have prepared your data, the next thing you have to do is go ahead and search for maps in Google. Okay, so I'm going and searching for maps. Once you have searched for maps in Google, right click and open in new tab or left click and open in the same tab. So I'm opening in a new tab. Once your Google map uh, are loaded, click on menu, saved, and go to maps and open my maps. Okay. Once you click on that open my maps, you will see a new tab has opened with my maps. You can see that the logo has also changed. So here you can create your um, maps. These are my previously created maps. So to create a new map, I'm going to click on create a new map, and then again on this dialog box I'm going to click on create. Here you will see your map is loaded with a layer which is called untitled layer, and this is for adding multiple layers in case you would want to add something else. That's covered in a different video. However, in over here we just need to concentrate on this particular layer. You have to now get the data from Sheets, so you have to click on import. See here it reads import data from a CSV file in spreadsheet or KML. So let's click on import. Click on Google Drive or you can upload it from your computer. So I have it in Google Drive. We just had store locations spreadsheets stored. So we have multiple spreadsheets because I created them. So the recent one, we can go ahead and find the details. The recent one is created at store location is this one. It's the recent one. Let's say insert. Now, here you understand why we need address or latitude and longitude pairs, because here it says that to identify the place markers or to put the place markers on a map, we need addresses or latitude and longitude pair. So let's go ahead and select only address. Okay, so this only address contains the data for place markers. Okay, let's click on continue. Here it says choose a column to title your markers. I'm going to select store name because that's what every store name should be displayed on the address. And let's click on finish. You will see it's loading, and now it appears that all your um, store locations are on the map. Okay, one Singapore also have been added because it found uh, that address probably more prominent, so it's going to that one. Okay, so going back to our maps, we can have individual styles with customization, customize the appearance of the layer features. Let's click on that and say individual styles, or however uniform style. Let's keep it uniform style, and we don't want any labels. Okay, once your store locations are good enough, you can click on one particular store to add the store hours and the contact information. So let's click on a store here. We see that the store hours are auto populated and the contact details are also auto populated here. Okay, so this is how you can use your maps to add store hours and contact details. Additionally, if you want to share this anywhere or if you want to embed this anywhere, then you can click on share and give a title, um, RD store map, because it's Reliance Digital. Um, all Indian and Singapore stores. Indian, sorry, it's Indian and Singapore stores. Click on OK. Then you can select here anyone with this link can view. If they have this link, they can view it. Um, let others search for this and find on internet, or you can copy this uh, one and share wherever you want. Okay, close. You can have a preview as well and share from here, embed on your site, share via email, Twitter, Facebook. You can also click on this three dots, that's menu, get the view on Google Earth. You can print the map. Okay, you can again go back to the edit and do whatever you wish to do it. You can customize your icons. Maybe you want to change the icon, not just the pin, but you want it to be stars, then all stars, and with the purple color maybe. So you can go ahead and choose the purple color. So these customizations you can do and make your map more um, thematic and more uh, coherent to your theme. So that's about it about how to create your own map. you can save and share to others. Um, if you want to delete the map, then you can go ahead, click on menu and move this to trash. All right. So that's about it in this one. Thanks for watching.